Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on security notification on WhatsApp. Just keep in mind, if you have your WhatsApp connected to multiple devices, in order to receive these notifications you have to enable this on all of your devices. So let's start. First you're gonna click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. It's gonna take us to our settings. Next we're gonna select account. As you can see, the first option we have here is security notifications. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And here we just have to tap on it to turn it on to show security notifications on this phone. If you have it connected with your laptop or your computer or your iPad or something, you have to do this on all of your devices in order to receive notifications if something is going on either of them. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!